All right, what's up, Amazon shoppers? Redliro, under desk treadmill. I don't have my shoes. Usually I have shoes up here. But anyway, gotta have a standing desk for this thing. Love it. I've had it for about 3 weeks. Forgive my desk. Work from home, so it's a disaster. Post-it notes, all that kind of stuff everywhere. Anyway, so check this out. We got a remote, which is pretty sweet. Has Bluetooth on it too. My son told me that, and I haven't used it yet. But starts off at half a mile per hour. Usually what I do is go about 1.6 miles per hour. This helped me get about 10,000 steps a day. Can't complain about that. I can't open up any of my files because it's all work stuff. How about Spotify? Login. So you can see I can use my mouse here. I actually have two mice. So I use my left hand, my right hand. Anyway, I mean, I love this thing. I usually warm up a little bit, knock out tons of steps throughout the day. Even if I'm not working, I come up and watch YouTube and stuff like that. On here, it does have some settings too, like some pre-loaded settings on here. I haven't used a lot of this stuff yet, but it seems like super durable. Like I love it. I don't run on it. I haven't run on it. The Atlas says you can run on it. I'm not sure, but anyway, great price. I think it was like 200 bucks or something. So another thing that I like about it, we'll turn it off for a second, is I just flip it up like this when I'm done. On the side, I can slide my chair back in here, do regular work, and then flip it down. Anyway, that's it. Buy it.
Speed up.